Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Gorgias for e-commerce help desk optimization, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Gorgias website. Once the home page loads, locate the Get Started button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will be directed to a sign-up page where you can create your account. If you already have an account, you can log in using your credentials. For new users, enter your email address and choose a secure password. Next, complete any required fields, such as your name and shop information. After filling out the necessary details, click on the Sign Up button. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Check your email and click the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, return to the Gorgias login page and enter your credentials. After logging in, you will see a dashboard that offers various features. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its tools and capabilities. To optimize your e-commerce help desk, navigate to the Integrations section. Connect Gorgias to your e-commerce platform, such as Shopify or Magento. Follow the prompts to authorize the integration. After connecting your store, customize your settings to align with your business needs. You can set up automated responses and ticketing workflows for efficiency. Utilize the analytics features to track performance and improve customer service. Once adjustments are made, you are ready to start using Gorgias for your help desk. Continue to monitor your tickets and make changes as necessary for optimization. Engage with additional resources and support materials provided by Gorgias to deepen your understanding. Stay updated with new features as Gorgias frequently enhances its platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.